Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. In Austin, Texas, it's going to be 100 degrees for the next 2 weeks, and when it's that hot, you cannot cool down. So I thought this class would be all about getting cool and keeping cool. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So one of the best ways that you can cool your body is by taking a cold shower, getting your hair wet and allowing the dissipation of the water coming off your hair to cool your whole entire body. So that's exactly what I did before this class. We're gonna also start by really opening up spaces in the body that help us to cool down. One of them is our armpit. So let's bring our fingertips back behind our head, drag the elbows open, and really expose the armpits up towards the sky. Gently close the eyes, take a few breaths here. Take a nice inhale and exhale. Good, do it again, inhale. Exhale, release the hands all the way down. We're gonna bring the fingertips out towards the side and then lean over to the left side, raise our right arm towards the sky, and then bring our hand behind our head. Again, exposing the armpit, really allowing any heat to dissipate there. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, release the arm all the way down. Let's try the other side. So reach that hand up towards the sky, bring your hand behind your head, and then take it over to the side. Close the eyes, inhale. And exhale, really slowing down the breath to cool the body. Let's do it again, inhale. And exhale, release all the way down. So we're going to do a few forward folds. Folding forward helps to cool the body as well as to draw it inward. So we'll extend the legs out in front. You can flex your feet. If you need a pillow or a blanket underneath you, you can do that to prop your hips. We can separate the feet nice and wide out towards the corners of the mat. Grab onto the backs of the thighs, sit up nice and tall, and then fold forward, relax everything. Soften your body, relax the chin. Good, and then start to invite your breath in nice and slow through the nose. Inhaling here. Exhale through the mouth with a sigh. Good, do it again, inhale. And exhale. Nice, inhale here. And exhale. Good, slowly come up. We're gonna plant the feet and then move our body forward, bend the knees, grab onto the backs of the thighs, and slowly lower down, coming to a resting position with knees bent. Let's draw the feet in closer to the body and then bring the feet together, knees touching, and allow the knees to fall open. So now we're exposing our femoral artery, and so that is a great place to release heat. So we'll be here for several breaths. Arms are relaxed along your side. Take a nice inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth, let it go. So anytime you start to feel overheated during the day or maybe during exercise, you can always come to this posture, and this is the quickest way to dissipate heat. Good, a few more breaths like that. Inhale. And exhale. Good, do it again one more time. Inhale. And exhale, bring the knees back to center. We're gonna roll into the fetal position onto one side and have your arms out in front of you. So knees are stacked one on top of the other. We're gonna start to move into a twist just to wring out any additional heat within the body. So we'll start to slide that hand across the body, across the chest, and I'm just going to bring my hand to my hip. So everything is very gentle. We're not efforting. We're actually surrendering and letting go, slowing the heartbeat, slowing the breath. And just giving a little bit of a twist or congestion to the midsection to wring out any heat within the core. And take a few breaths here. Slowly unwind. Come to your back and pause for a moment. Let your hips settle in. Keep the knees bent. And then we're going to roll in the fetal position to the other side. Arms are stacked, one on top of the other, and just having the knees stacked, we'll drag the top arm open and just plant your hand on your hip, rolling that shoulder open. Gently close the eyes, invite the breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Just a few more breaths like that. Slowly unwind, coming back to center, plant the feet. We'll hug the knees into the chest for a moment and just rock from side to side, massaging your low back. Good, roll all the way over to one side and come to your belly. So we'll extend the legs out. And then rest the head on the hands. So stack the hands one on top of the other. Relax your head all the way down. And again, settle your breathing. In through the nose, nice long breath. Out through the mouth. Good. A few more breaths like that. And then pushing to hands and knees. Let's come to child's pose. So you can bring your toes to touch and then rest your arms over your head. Elbows come all the way down, so low effort here. Relax the forehead on the floor or on a block or blanket. And this is a great way just to surrender any effort. Take a breath in between the back ribs, expand. Exhale, soften the chest. Good, inhale, expand. Exhale, soften. Inhale, back to hands and knees. And we're going to come to seated. So we're going to finish this practice with a little bit of breath work that truly helps you to cool off. So one of the breaths that we can do is by breathing in through our teeth. So let's try it just so that you can feel the sensation of that cool breath coming in. So it's almost like you're doing a fake smile. Teeth are together, and we're going to take a nice inhale as we do this big grin. Exhale. Good. Inhale, teeth together. Exhale, open mouth. Can you feel the coolness of the breath as it enters the body through the teeth? There's another way that you can also cool the breath, and it's through a curled tongue. So if you can curl your tongue like this, like a straw, you can breathe through your tongue and get the same effect. So I'm going to try that a couple times. Curl the tongue. Exhale. Good, do it again. Exhale. So let's choose one of those breaths through the teeth or through the curled tongue. We're going to close the eyes and start to breathe into that unique breath. Exhale out the mouth. Let's do that several more times. One more breath. And exhale. Resume your normal breath and keep your eyes closed for a moment. And start to tune into your body and just notice how it feels, if there's any change in temperature from when you first started this class. And let's bring the hands to heart center, bow the mind to the heart, and just thank yourself for paying attention to what your body needs today. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here. I'm Kim Goya, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, including one coming up in Costa Rica and a yoga safari retreat in Tanzania, Africa, check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.